Zdravo nasite! Hello everyone and welcome back to our Macedonian language channel. I am Ali and today we are going to talk about something everyone loves, food and drinks. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to name common foods, order a drink and even say your favorite dish in Macedonian. Let's get started with some basic words that represents food. Leb, which means bread. Sirenje, which means cheese. Jabolko, which means apple. Meso, which means meat. Supa, which means soup. Salata, which means salad. Riba, which means fish. And torta, which means cake. Those are words that represents drinks. Voda, which means water. Kafe, which means coffee. Chai, which means tea. Mleko, which means milk. Sok, which means juice. Vino, which means wine. And pivo, which means beer. Macedonia is famous for its delicious traditional cuisine full of flavor and heart. In this section, I'm going to give you the names of some of the traditional Macedonian foods. Let's start with ajvar, which is roasted red pepper spread, often called Macedonian caviar. Then tavče gravče, baked beans in a clay pot, which is a national dish. Then pinjur, which is vegetable spread similar to ajvar but with tomatoes and eggplants. Sarma, cabbage rolls stuffed with rice and meat. Shopska salata, fresh salad with tomato, cucumber, onion, and cheese on top. Banica, pita, or burek, which is pastry with cheese, spinach, or meat. And kebapi, which is meat sausages. There are also Macedonian traditional drinks like mastika, which is strong anise flavored drink, rakia, homemade brandy, often offered to guests, domašno vino, homemade wine, and of course coffee, which is more than a drink, it's a ritual. Here are some phrases that you can use. So if you want to say I'm hungry, you can say gladen sum. If you want to say I'm thirsty, you can say žeden sum. If you want to say I want soup, you would say jaz sakam supa. Može jedno kafe ve molam? That would be can I have a coffee please? And koja je tvojata omiljena hrana? What is your favorite food? It's time for you now. Try to put together 2 or 3 short sentences in Macedonian using those words that we learned today and put them in the comment. For example, jaz sakam lepi sirenje. Može jedna voda ve molam? Pause the video, try your own sentences and then reply when you're ready. Fun facts about the food in Macedonia. Macedonians usually eat their main meal at lunch, not at dinner. Guests are always offered food and drinks, and it's polite to accept at least a little. Coffee time isn't just about drinking coffee, it's about catching up, chatting, and relaxing. Homemade rakia is often considered stronger than store bought versions, and it's a matter of pride for families who made it. Bread is important that no meal feels complete without it. There you have it. Great job today! Now you can talk about food and drinks in Macedonian, and you've also learned about some delicious traditional dishes. Next time, we'll practice how to order food at the restaurant, so don't miss it. Like, share, and subscribe. Hvala mnogo što gledavte. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next lesson. Ciao!